Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing a luxury Divas box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Okay guys, welcome back. So I hope, first off, I want to say happy Mother's Day for all of you who are moms. Definitely, I hope this year, I know it was kind of weird for all of us, but definitely hope that you all had an awesome Mother's Day this year. No matter what the situation is, you still have your family. So I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed your day. So it's been a while that I've actually reviewed a luxury Divas box. Now, for those of you who don't know, luxury Divas box is a monthly lifestyle subscription. So you get things, and it's $30 a month. So you get things in it like jewelry, you get clothing, different sunglasses. I know the sunglasses that I wear all the time, I got them from Luxury Divas box, I think last summer. You get scarves, you can get different accessories box. So it's kind of, and you can get beauty products too. So it's definitely different than other subscriptions like regular Ipsy that I normally review. But I'm kind of, sometimes there's but so much makeup products that you can put in your cupboard or your drawer, right? So I definitely love this subscription. Now, if you've been following my channel or my blog, you guys know that I'm in the process of moving, and let's just say I'm done unpacking at this point. And if you guys have ever moved, you definitely feel me, right? I mean, let me know. But it can take a long time. So I wanted to subscribe to Luxury Divas, but I didn't want to order it while I was in the process of knowing that I was going to move and then having to have some mail, like just be in limbo, which I actually have. And it's funny because this is one of the packages that actually was in limbo for a few days. And I tried to go to the post office, unfortunately, because the line was long as heck. And they were like, yeah, your mail person has your packages in their box and they're gonna drop it off to you tomorrow. And I'm like, what? I'm waiting for a mail key. So I'm like, that makes no sense. I've been coming here on a weekly basis to pick up my mail. But this morning, lo and behold, it was there. So thankfully, I get to review this, guys, for you. So I'm definitely gonna resubscribe now that all my mail seems to be settled. So definitely, if you guys like just, a mixture of products and you kind of want to get away from just the regular subscription box that are out there, this is the one for you. So let's start from the beginning. So Luxury Divas box is $30 every month, and if you're watching underneath the video, there's a $5 coupon you guys can use. I believe it's Lynette 5, but don't quote me on that. I believe that's the code that you can get $5 and it saves $5 off. Now, let's just say if you don't want a subscription and you just want to check this out for one time, you can get a $35 box. That's actually what this is, because like I said, I was in limbo and I didn't want to commit and have that subscription just lingering out there. I just wanted to make sure I received the product. So, but I'm subscribing, so let me know if you guys are subscribed to this one too. So every month it actually comes in this black box, which I love because they're so different and they seem so modern compared to just regular subscription boxes. Okay, so, and this is what the inside looks like. So you guys kind of have an idea of what is in it. And the cool thing about this subscription box is they give you the retail value of all the products in the box. So you know exactly how much your box is worth. And like I said, you only pay $30 a month. So every month you get like a personalized note. And this month I got a note from Marina. So she says, hey Lynette, hello Lynette, I totally put in my verbiage. But she says, hey Lynette, Texas must be warming beautifully down there. I can't complain because Jersey has been lovely. Here's the mailbox, and it's cute. It's so cute. Enjoy and happy Mother's Day. Love, Marina. So you actually get your box curated by someone, and normally, from my experience, there's always been a personal note inside. So I love those because it's personal, and these boxes are curated to you. Because I didn't mention, you actually fill out a profile letting them know like your favorite colors, your size, and things like that, so they can put that box together for you. And I didn't mention, because I haven't made a lot of videos recently since my move, but if you guys love reviews and hauls and things like that, definitely make sure you're subscribed. Even though we're 4 minutes into the video, I'm late to the party, so whatever. Okay, So this, you guys are seeing exactly what is in my box here. So I'm not gonna look at it, actually. I'll briefly look because I know where the total is. It's at the top. So it says here, my box is $108. And guess what? Like I said, you only pay either $35 for the one box or you pay $30, which I paid $35. So I don't mind. So I'm actually getting way more value than of what I paid for. And also it is wrapped in tissue paper with their Luxury Divas logo and usually they actually, I didn't realize they were still doing this, super cool. All right, so they actually usually put some candy in there, and I'm hiding these from my kids. These are Swedish fish, so I love those. So I'm definitely gonna hide that, don't tell them. That's my Mother's Day gift to myself. So this box came in perfect timing because I wanted it to be a little mini Mother's Day gift to myself. Even though I've been like crazy unpacking, I just wanted to stop and pause and get something for myself, just in case. You never know what family's gonna get you, but I wanted to get a surprise for myself. So this is actually a surprise for myself. Okay, so you guys are seeing also a little sneak of what's in the box too. Okay, so first thing we have here is from Oakland. This is the thick mascara. So that's what that looks like. And guys, I'm not gonna open this because you guys know I review a lot of beauty products. So when you open a mascara package, it's actually, that starts the life cycle of that mascara, and it only lasts for 3 months and then you have to toss it. So I'm actually working on a mascara right now, which is on the verge of being tossed because that 3 months is up. And you're probably like me and you're like, how can I remember 3 months? I usually put it on my calendar to remind me 3 months later on my iPhone to tell me when to toss it. So that's how I know. Okay, so this is like a thick waterproof mascara. So that is what that looks like there. Okay, so that's cool. You could always use mascara since it doesn't last that long anyway. So that's really cool. All right, so this is a Never Lose Hope bracelet. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Let me go back. See, I haven't reviewed a box so long, I forgot. Okay, so let's talk about the mascara. So from Oakland, this is, let's see, it's $12 retail value. And then this says create glamorous defined lash day after day with Oakland Extend Mascara. Use your new mascara when you desire intense curl volume from the top of and to the bottom of every lash. So this is $12, like I said. And then the next thing we have here is what I said, it's a bracelet. And this is hold on. This is a Never Lose Hope bangle bracelet. This bracelet could not come at a better time. Even when nothing seems to go your way, this adorable bangle will be there to remind you to never lose hope. And this is, let's see, you could have gotten this in either gold or silver. This is $20, so let us check it out and see how it looks in real life. Okay, so that is what that looks like. So mine is actually in silver because I prefer silver jewelry, as you can tell from my earrings. I prefer silver, so that is what that looks like there. So let me just take it out of the packaging. So we can check it out. As soon as I get it out the packaging, then we can check it out. There we go. Okay, so let me see. Oh, I gotta turn it. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it too much, but if you clip it there, because I don't want to waste time with a bracelet, but if you clip it on, that would be dingling there. So we're just gonna pretend it's closed out. All right, there we go. So that's how that looks. Very nice. Okay, then the next thing we have here are these earrings, and the earrings are two-tone textured metal dangle earrings. A hammered texture gives this chic bangles some added allure. These earrings are have a trendy boho vibe and can be worn day or night. And this is gold, and this is $20 also. So if you can see, I love either hoop earrings or dangle earrings, so these would be perfect. I could have worn it for the video. So we have that. And you can see that clearly there. So that's super cool. All right, and then the next thing we have here is very different in gold. Now this is a gold pineapple print wristlet bag. Whether on the beach or just toting around this town, this adorable wristlet bag is just the right size to hold all the essentials. Bag is finished with a weaved canvas bottom and features a convenient detachable wrist strap. So this one is a retail value of $20. Yeah, okay, so that's cool, and I like this. This is very, very different. So this is like one of those chill bags you can like go to a picnic or the beach. I like it, it's very unique. All right, and then the inside, let me take the tissues out so you guys can check that out. And it has that lining inside, so I love it. I wouldn't take this R off of it. You just rock it like this and then rock it out, and that's it. All right, so I like it. All right, so last but not least, hold on. Oh no, not last but not least, I'm sorry. Not last but not least. Let me grab the last two things here. Okay, so the next one we have here is, so this is a silver mesh, if I can talk, metallic shawl wrap. Let me get my scissors so I don't kill you guys with the noise. Oh, this is really, really pretty. All right, Marina, you did your thing. All right, so this is cool. So this, I don't know if I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like sparkly silver. So let me see. So this here says a shimmery finish fringe trim to make this lightweight shawl wrap a sophisticated style staple for your next special occasion. Effortlessly drape around your shoulders or wear around the arms of your elbows. Now the cool thing about this, because it's summer, you can actually like use this probably as a wraparound if you wanted to, or you know, I'm trying to think of how you put, well, we're not going to do that right now, because then you can do this, even though it's like getting hot here, but you can just totally like rock this out in like different styles. So here we go. So this is cool. Like I said, you can put like a shawl. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can put that like over your bathing suit, or you know, with a t-shirt over your neck, and then go like that. I forgot how you do it. I know how to do it, but I can't think of it right now. But this is definitely cool because, like I said, you can do it with your bathing suit or just to look super fancy at a pool party. I like it. So that was cool. And then last but not least, this, let me show you the shawl there, the scarf. So that's how you're supposed to use it. And I watched a video one time on like this girl who had like 20 different ways to wrap a scarf. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's why I can't think of it, because I'm thinking of all the ways she shared. But you go on YouTube and watch those videos. They're out there. People are so unique with that. Okay, and then last but not least, we have, this is a black and white high-low top. Okay, so this is what that looks like here. So if you guys can see that, it's basically black and white. And I'm gonna show you, I don't know if you can tell, but it actually has ribbons on the side. So this is super cute. I can see myself rocking this with like with jeans, some shorts, or some white shorts. So I definitely like it. So let me just show you, because it's hard to tell over a video, but that's what that looks like there. So if you can see there, it's like low on the back and high on the front, but on the side, I don't know if you can see that, it has ribbon, which actually is a cute unique thing to the shirt. So it'll make it stand out. So I can definitely, I like black, I like all colors, but this is cute for the summer, especially now in Texas. Yes, Marina, it's getting hot up in here. So let's do a recap and see what all came in my my first back full, in fact, Luxury Divas box. So we have that high-low top, which I'm totally digging. Thanks, guys. That was awesome. And then we have the shawl, so you can see that. You have the shawl, which I love. It's because it's a shimmery. You can either wear, like I said, the beach, or it's super fancy if you have to wear that. Let me see what else. We have our, oh, the bracelet. We have the bracelet, which I'll put right here, just pretending. And then we have the earrings, which dangling earrings, I love those. And then we have our little wristlet here, which is cool because you can actually rock that with the shirt. So I can dig it. And then let me see. Oh, and we have the mascara. So what did you guys think of my comeback into Luxury Divas box this month? I loved it. That's why I'm subscribing back, because the variety in these boxes are so random, but things that you can actually use, and you can let them know what you prefer, the colors and things like that. So I love it because they're curated for you. So with that being said, guys, make sure you let me know in the comment section what you thought of Luxury Divas for May. And trying to think of what else. Okay, well, I can't think of anything else at the moment, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.